On today's first look, we have lot number 684, a 1966 Ford Bronco Custom. Restored and upgraded in 2021, this 1966 Ford Bronco is presented in Ford Racing Red with magnetic gray racing stripes. Power comes from a 302 V8 equipped with a Holley EFI Sniper system backed by a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Exterior upgrades include front and rear bumpers with a Warn winch. On the interior, the dash has also been painted to match with the exterior racing stripes. Autometer gauges and custom plaid Recaro seats have been added with matching roll bar trim. This professionally built Bronco rides on 17-inch fuel wheels wrapped with Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ tires, selling at no reserve this weekend, June 30th through July 2nd at our 2022 Las Vegas auction. Don't miss this opportunity.